Hi, kiddos. Hi, Lola and Bubba and Jax and Bentley and Baylor and Indy. Sydney wants to make you a video of one of her toys she got. I'm not very good with this camera. Okay, I'm just gonna have to hold it. All right, she got the LOL Surprise Charm Fizz. So Sydney wants to open it up, and then we're supposed to dunk it in the water and see what comes of it. See what it is, okay? Let's see if we can set it up here. Okay, that works. All right, so we're gonna open it up. Ah!
Sit up.
More wrapping. Let's open it up. It's kind of hard to get into. It's definitely not easy. All right, we're gonna open it up. It's really hard, and then we're gonna make another video.